This is my 1991 Nighhawk CB250 engine. And right now this engine is mounted on a Honda Rebel frame. And you'll notice a lot of wiring and whatever hanging off of there. There actually has two wiring harnesses on this chassis right now. One for the Honda Rebel 250 and the other for a complete setup of the Nighhawk 250. And I'll walk you around to the other side. And there's a pretty good idea. I do have a temporary gas line hooked up to this just to run the engine to show you how it does run and to give you some idea of how well it runs. I'll take you around, take you around this way. It includes the engine stop and kill switch. There's an ignition switch also. All of the electronics, and I'll take you around to the other side now. It makes it easier for me to be able to start it from this position. Now the engine is cold. I'm going to put my hand on it, and as you can see, this engine is cold. Okay, now I'm going to go to the ignition switch. Hopefully I can turn this on, which is right here. And let's see if I can turn it on. There, I just did. And the engine is cold. And now I'm going to start it.